how to download or install Roblox on your iPhone. So it's really easy to do. Couple things: you want to make sure that you're up to date on the current iOS system and make sure that you're on your current Wi-Fi network. It's a lot easier and faster if you download while on a Wi-Fi network compared to just on your own cellular data. So what you want to do is go find your app store wherever it may be on your phone. And I'm just going to go to mine here. And you want to go to the search bar at either the very bottom right corner or the search bar right here at the very top, and go ahead and type in Roblox, and we're going to search for that, and it should be the first result as you see here. So from here you just want to click the get button, and that will start to download. It will ask you to verify with a double click. Sometimes it'll ask you to put your Apple ID password or maybe a passcode if you don't have your Face ID set up. Either way, it will start to download, and it doesn't really take a lot of time since I am on Wi-Fi currently, so it'll download really fast. I can come out of here and then go find the Roblox app, and we can go ahead and click that. And from here, what you want to do is just go ahead and make yourself an account, and that's it. It's real easy to download on your iPhone, and you can, from this point, enjoy the game.